Mailbox locks. If you need a mailbox locksmith, you've lost your mailbox key to your apartment, you need a condo mailbox key replacement, call Mr. Locksmith. If you need a mailbox locksmith in UBC, call Mr. Locksmith UBC. You've lost your keys to your condo or your apartment or your strata. They're not responsible for your mailbox lock. So if you've lost your keys or you've broken the key off in the lock or it's broken, occasionally they do break. There is a lot of break-in attempts on the mailboxes as well. So if you've lost your keys, you've broken your keys, or the lock is broken, or you need your mailbox repaired, give Mr. Locksmith a call.